this was a name that we started stock squeeze. It was a a good looking stock squeeze opportunity, and this was on Friday, so you can see all these big volume buying opportunities here. So this was what as soon as you see the volume coming in for these types of things, you're wanting to take advantage of the volume arrivals. Day session lows is another location you want to try and take advantage of. It's not the heaviest stock, so you're going to have to buy it up over time. We got another session low down here at 1900 hours, and a good arrival of volume as well. And of course, we got the good volume coming in at higher prices here. And the higher she goes, the more we like it, because obviously this is a stock squeeze, and this is a stock squeeze, and the idea is that we're expecting this to break out of structure, right? We're expecting this to break north out of structure, and sure enough, by obviously equities would pick it up a pop at that stage. And you can obviously see what happened in the pre-market and then post-market. And then into the post-market, we ended up trading with relatively punchy volumes here this morning at 1 o'clock. And $73.25 to $73.50 for a walkaway at that stage was pretty good. Weekend exposure, of course, makes life that little bit more difficult. Still on my dashboard today, but obviously that trade's pretty much busted now. And if I can pick up one of those every day, I'd be quite happy, just one of them, right? Just one of them, Simon. A $550 investment, and that just paid you nearly $200 profit on an outright stock. But let's see if we see any today. As I said, I've looked at dashboard this morning, can't see any. So nothing yet.